What bank accounts do you need? Let's talk about it. This is going to very much help you keep your finances organized. Stop using one bank account for all your money, okay? I know that might seem like it might simplify things, but it really doesn't. It makes it harder to manage. When you are spending money out of your account, going out to eat with your account, paying bills with your account, it makes it really hard to track what is being spent where and making sure you have enough money to cover everything. Go check out the Money Mastery Toolkit at the top of my page if you want to get guided through this. Otherwise, let's just get into it. So boom, the first account you need is a checking account, and this is going to be where your bill money lives. I would also recommend you have another account, checking account, for spending. Doesn't matter which of these accounts that your check goes into, but when your check does hit, you send the amount for the bills that are due to this bill account. That way, you know that only bills are coming out of this account. This is not spending money. You're not in danger of spending your bill money. And then you can do any other spending out of your spending account. You're also going to need a high yield savings account. This is for your emergency fund or any other savings that you want to have. And a high yield savings account accrues more interest than a regular savings, so free money. So how do you find high yield savings to use? Well, there's a ton of them, and you'll have to do your research. You need to make sure that it's FDIC insured and make sure there's no fees associated with the account. Look for the best interest rate you can find and a bank that you're comfortable using. My favorite is Ally. There's also Wealthfront. There's also Capital One has a high yield savings. There's just a ton of them out there, so go Google it and do your own research. But basically, once you have your budget, all of your money comes into one of these checking accounts. You put your bill accounts or your bill amounts in the bill account, and then you send your savings for your emergency fund or any other savings to your high yield savings. And you're also going to want a retirement account, whether that is a 401k, a Roth IRA, maybe both. That's up to you. You at least need to be putting something away for retirement. It's very, very important. I do have other videos about Roth IRA, 401k. Go check those out, or you can just go to a website like Fidelity or Vanguard and check out their different retirement accounts. Roth IRA, I would highly recommend if you fit within the income limit. Okay, so what do you do with like grocery money, gas money? I would recommend that you cash stuff that. It is a variable expense, and it will teach you a lot about your money if you take that amount out of your bank in cash and stuff it into envelopes. This helps you keep track of how you're spending, how your money is moving. It helps you strengthen your relationship with your money. So I would highly recommend that you try that out. Another component to your budget is a sinking fund. And what I would recommend you do is either pull those out and cash stuff them or send those to a high yield savings account. And if you have a savings account with Ally, I know for sure that they have buckets within their savings account. So meaning you could have everything in one high yield savings. You have a bucket for emergency funds. You have a bucket for maybe car repairs or vacations or whatever. But sinking funds need to be separated out from your spending money as well. If you hear any terms that you don't know here, like sinking fund or variable expense, I do have many videos about those on my page, so go check those out. So yeah, set yourself up for success. Figure out an account structure or just a structure in general that works for you and is going to help you succeed. That is the most important part. Let's get organized this year. You got this, friend.